Enter the realm of innovation where creativity and intelligence converge. Welcome to the world of generative AI, a transformative force reshaping our digital landscape. Discover a new technology that understands and also creates. Generative AI, at the forefront of artificial intelligence, is now within your reach. Learn how to harness this power to produce artificial intelligence new texts, impressive images, engaging videos, and more. Our comprehensive, award-winning Ultimate e-learning collection, encompassing over 55 hours of content. This is your gateway to mastering this advanced technology. Dive deep into the world of AI, APIs, get acquainted with innovations like ChatGPT, Azure OpenAI, and Google Bard. Explore the intriguing world of prompt engineering, discover the integration of AI in enterprise security, and unravel the potential of AI in ethical hacking. Whether it's version control with Git, data analysis, visualization, or learning Python, this ultimate collection offers a range of practical applications and is recognized for its excellence. Join us on this educational journey and unlock the doors to innovation and business value through generative AI. Leverage the power of OpenAI, APIs, and transform your skills for the future. OEM Office e-learning menu presents this unique, award-winning opportunity. Enroll now in our Generative AI Ultimate e-learning collection and be at the forefront of AI evolution. Your future in AI innovation starts here. Visit our webshop for the most current pricing information and view the full course content. Start your educational journey with the Generative AI Ultimate e-learning collection today.